Hello everybody, Joe Marquez here once again to give you a quick little tip for some of the tools you already have in your classroom. One of the most popular things in new Google Slides is the ability to have closed captioning. Now, I've done this tutorial before, and if you look back through some of the videos in the Sons of Technology YouTube channel, you'll find this quick video on how I showcased how if you want to use closed captioning in your classroom, you don't necessarily have to utilize a slide deck. Meaning you don't have to have a pre-prepared like 10 slides of your topic. All you really need is one slide. So I'm going to go over that one more time, and then I'm going to showcase some new features that the closed captioning in Google Slides has implemented in the past month. So in this little hack here, you don't have to have a full out slide deck for a lesson or topic in your classroom. A lot of times teachers just like to have classroom conversations. They like to bring up the topic, they like to bring up the essential question, and just poll the audience, talk with the audience, have the kids do shoulder partners on what they think about that topic. And so instead of having this entire slide deck, all you need is one singular slide. And on that singular slide, you're going to have it just say topic, and then underneath just the essential question. And when you start this presentation, notice you don't have to have anything at all. All you would need is this one slide, and it would be up in the background. But a key to this is accessibility. We want to make sure all students are able to receive the information regardless of special needs. So closed captioning does that. So if I just click on closed captioning, I can all of a sudden now capture everything that I say in the classroom and have the topic and essential question up in the background. And since this doesn't take a lot of time to set up, you can now have this as a feature that you would utilize in your classroom on a daily basis. Now, this is the hack that I showcased a few months ago, but I want to showcase a few extra things that it has changed. Notice I have my closed captioning up at the top. Because what a lot of teachers have noticed is if they have a low projector, the students wouldn't be able to see it at the bottom. And so what it used to have is the text position at the bottom. And so the text was down at the bottom. If you have a high projector or a high mounted LCD screen, maybe the bottom would be best for you. But if you have a non-mounted projector that's just being projected from a table, you may want to change that positioning up to the top right there just for you. Now, right now I have the captioning set at extra large. This is great for the need of being able to visualize this on a smaller screen. If all you have is a screen that's 60 or 75 inches, you may want to utilize this full-on large, extra large. But if you already have a screen that's really large, like 100 inch projected, you can definitely change the size from extra large to large. So notice now we have more words on the screen at one singular time. And once again, if you wanted to change it even more, it can go to medium, and now you have 2 lines of text on the screen at the same time. And then if you have a really big screen, you would go to small, and you can have even more words on the screen at a time. These extra features really allow the teacher and educator to really meet the needs of all the students that they want. For my personal preference, I always keep it at the top, and then my text size that I would choose would be the large size, just so more words are on the screen at once, but it's easier for my students to view. So please, if you like this video, please make sure that you share it with your fellow educators. And hey, why not give us a follow as well on our Sons of Technology YouTube channel. And if you would like to contact me, once again, my name is Joe Marquez, and please definitely contact me on Twitter at JoeMarquez70. I would love to hear if you're using this in your classroom. I'd love to hear if you have used this in your classroom, if you find this beneficial. And hey, if you do enjoy our Sons of Technology YouTube channel, please, please, please go ahead and watch or listen to our Sons of Technology podcast, found on all the podcasters that are out there right now. And then also, please hit us up at Sons of Tech EDU and let us know the amazing things that you are doing in your classroom to hack education to meet the needs of all of your students. As always, I love what you do. Teachers are the most important job in the history of the world, no more than it is now. And I really, really, really applaud how you are changing our world from the bottom up to create not only great educated students, but great citizens all around. Thank you so much for everything you do. And as always, keep on innovating, keep on moving forward, and keep on doing what you do for our students.